Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook. Today, let's make this delicious stew. Usual honey, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Start by marinating your chicken thoroughly with the spices, honey. You're also gonna add some oil so that the spices can adhere better to the chicken and for cooking as well. You're going to massage the spices into the chicken, and to cook, you're going to layer them skin side down first, especially for the thighs, so that you can get a beautiful skin, honey. Then you're going to add a little bit of water, close your chicken on low heat, and cook for about 30 to 45 minutes until so beautiful and golden. Remove and set aside. Add the bacon into the pan until crisp and then set aside. In the same pan, you're going to add about a tablespoon of butter and saute your onions until fragrant. Then you're going to go ahead and add your herby garlic. You can use fresh as well, honey. Saute that for another 2 to 3 minutes, honey. Then you're going to go ahead and add some garam masala and cook the spice for about a minute or two, and add about 500 mils or more of the chicken broth, okay? How much chicken broth you use depends on how much sauce you want. Let that come to a simmer, honey, and we're going to go ahead and add your heavy cream and season heavily with some salt and black pepper. Give that a stir and let it come to a gentle simmer. Then you're going to bring back your chicken and let it cook in the sauce for about 10 to 12 minutes, not long, honey, because the chicken's already cooked. Add back the juices. You're gonna add your bacon in there, honey. You're gonna add your chopped or finely diced or sliced bell peppers, so beautiful in color. Close that and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take that long. You want the chicken to absorb the salt of the sauce, okay, honey? Then after 10 minutes, you're going to go ahead and add your mix of some corn flour and milk so that you can thicken the sauce, especially if you have this much sauce, honey. And then once that's done, you're just going to admire the beauty, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and more recipes coming your way, and I'll see you on the next one.